Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are having a great day today. Guys, in this video, I will talk about something really amazing. A mobile with almost no bezel will arrive before the Samsung S10. After working on triple N4 camera technologies, Samsung is now working to manifest its innovations on the display side. And during a launch event for the A6s and A9s, Samsung alongside also teased Samsung Galaxy A8s. And the mobile in the image doesn't have a bezel or a notch. Instead of that, they have put a hole for the camera on top according to some rumors. And apart from that, maybe a light and a proximity sensor. The South Korean giant teased an image of this smartphone on Wednesday, but it is not confirmed. As you can see in the picture, there is no hole on the screen. But according to a prominent leaker, Ice Universe, there will be a hole drilled on the screen for the camera. But I'm keeping my finger crossed that this mobile will have a truly edge-to-edge display. Let's see what happens, as I don't know anything about its specs. Okay guys, it's all for today. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos, and please share my videos to other social media accounts. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next one. Till then, keep crushing it.